feed these guys, preferably without getting stung. I don't have my stuff on. And I'm going to put at least one glove on before I move stuff around. I think I'm going to wait till after I peek in the hive. So what I need to do first is light my smoker. Alright, I'm going to get that good and smoky. I've been having some issues with bees slamming into me. And they're really going to get pissed when I take the lid off. We'll leave this here for now. Let's put this over here. And as soon as I get my smoker ready and my gloves on, we'll take a peek. Probably put my gloves on before I do that. My hat. It's just my hood. Jeez. My dogs lose their minds. Okay, I gotta pause this so I can get my gloves on. Well, I think it's recording. I think I'm ready. Pop this open and see what's going on in here. And I forgot to open this. Oh boy. I'll use a little bit of smoke. I didn't have any trouble whatsoever when I put the bees in here, but I'm having a lot of trouble feeding them. Now this right here is what the queen came in, and we took her out a while ago, so there should be nobody in there, but I left it in there. Oh, it appears somebody is in there. I don't know why. Somebody's at home. Better hope it's not the queen, because she was supposed to get out a while ago. That's strange. We're going to take one of these out at a time. Nothing going on here, which I didn't expect there would be. As if you can see, there's cone in between here now, so they've been hard at work. That was new. And they're pretty calm. As long as I don't pinch nobody, they might not pinch me back. This is my very first time doing this. I've watched other people do it. Uh-oh. We have a queen cell. Now, I don't know why there's a queen cell there, except for maybe my queen died already. Not good. Oh, you want to come look?
Sure.
I have a queen cell. I'm wondering if my queen is gone. You want to help me look for her? Here, I'll let you have this. Smoker. See there?
Yeah, they'll make them though, even if there is a queen.
Well, I don't know. Where would she be?
Oh, somewhere in the middle.
I figured since I'm recording.
I see her there.
And I didn't see
The other
nothing.
side.
They're pretty
I
calm.
see eggs.
That's good. So we do have a queen that's active. I don't know why the other queen is being made though.
They don't do that just in case.
Let's see if they did it just in case on any more. So those are all eggs.
Yeah, I see eggs in there.
I don't want to pinch anybody because I don't want them pissed at me again.
Not very much smoke. Yeah.
Down in there. Okay, you guys gotta get your butts off underneath that thing or you're gonna get squashed. It's pretty.
Yeah, that's where you use your tool.
Yeah, that's where it is.
Where is it?
In the house.
Want me to go get it?
No.
Yeah, they're filling that up good with comb. See all that comb in there?
Yeah, take a look. I think I see honey in there already. In the corner. Not very much. There's a lot of bees. I think I'm going to leave them alone now.
Yeah. Yeah, they're getting a little unhappy.
Alright. That one's pretty uneventful.
You guys, take a nap now.
Now there was one still in there and I thought, damn, I hope the queen wasn't still in there because I let her out.
Is that over the top of the hole good?
Yeah, this is,
Okay.
I feed them.
Well, I know. I'll just make sure it's over the hole in the board.
Yep. It should be right where it was. Oops. But this top's a little crooked so they can crawl out underneath it when the bowl's empty.
I see where the plywood's messed up right there.
Okay. Got most of it in there.
Yeah.
Since I probably won't be out of here till later tomorrow, I figured I'd fill it really good.
I made 2 of them this morning. Put one of them in mine, and the other one I just set right there. So I'll have it when I need it.
All right. And we're done. And I survived. I didn't get bit.